Come test drive this 2006 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 90,000 miles.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and much more. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.